I get so many clients that come in and ask me about a beautiful flowering tree. I want something that flowers. My wife wants something that flowers. And we all know we got to keep our wives happy. And a couple great choices are the spring snow and starlight flowering crabs. The spring snow is known for not producing a fruit, so it's not messy at all. And much like it, the starlight produces a very small fruit that you really don't see much on the ground. So if maintenance or big messy areas is a concern, these are a couple of great choices. Their beautiful white flowers are really stunning every spring, giving you that popcorn popping vibe as you're looking at your yards and gardens. It's important to understand that with these plants, they want full sun. So getting about 6 hours of sun a day is getting important for them to have really that big bang for your buck. They're disease resistant and great choices for harsher landscapes as well. We'll see you next time on Classic Landscaping.